Hello friends, welcome to the Photoshop tips and tricks. Let me show you how to make a transparent apple in Photoshop. Let's start. This is apple layer, unhide it. Go to select, and choose subject. OK, the object selected. Select and press Ctrl J to make a copy. Rename it apple. Rename the second layer to shadow. Right-click on this thumbnail, and choose Select Pixels. Hide this for now. Select this layer. Now hold Alt, and click on Mask. Only the shadow remains. Change the mode from normal to multiply. Then click on Adjustments, and add levels. Click to clip to layer. Drag this slider to left. Come back to Layer panel. Now there is just shadow. Unhide the apple layer, and change the mode from normal to hard light. Click and drag to duplicate. And change the mode to screen. Right-click on the layer, and create clipping mask. Again select the layer, click on Adjustments, and choose black and white. Click here to clip to layer, and come back to Layer panel. Okay, that's very nice and simple. Hope you liked it. Love you all my friends. If this was useful, please follow me for more useful and effective videos. Thanks for watching.